Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and new latest beautiful ideas and styling for girls and women. Different and latest full heavy clutch, add button pairs of embroidery to a simple clutch to make it stand out. And, different ideas, different style crochet skulls in shimmering yarn to create a magical mermaid inspired handbags. Like different combined different crochet skewers, each with a unique pattern or color to create a patchwork style handbags. Design a bag with a button flap closer for added security and style. Use bright rainbow colors to create a trendy crossbody bag that adds a pop of color to any outfit. Create a bag that resembles a woman, beautiful, like different shapes and handbags, stitches and intricate stitches pattern and handles. Remember to consider the purpose and different financiality of your bag will choosing a design, whether it's for everyday use, a special ascension, or a one statement piece. Your project handbags can be a reflection of your creativity and style. And there are countless crochet handbags design to choose from. Here are a few ideas. If you have any specific question or need tips crocheting handbags, free will to ask. Comment section. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.